And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the St. Anne police are trying to find out how a 14-year-old teen came by a firearm that was used to accidentally shoot one of his classmates.
The incident happened at Ocho Rios High School this morning.
According to Senior Superintendent of Police Dwight Powell, the teen who was shot in the leg is in serious but stable condition.
A 14-year-old male student of Pineapple Ocho Rios St. Anne took a firearm to school. He was in the social study lab along with other students when they were handling the firearm and it went off, injuring a 12-year-old female student. She was assisted to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital by the grade coordinator, where she is being treated for a gunshot wound to her thigh.
Now, the police say the student who took the weapon to school was also taken into custody. They were unable to say who the firearm belonged to, only that it appeared fairly new.
Teachers were alerted and went to the classroom where one grey and black knapsack was recovered from the floor containing one firearm. It is to be noted that the Ocho Rios High School is presently being monitored under the Safe School program. It is interesting to note that the principal and the entire faculty of the school have bought into the Safe School program. We are probing this shooting incident and we are following lead as to how and by what means the student came in possession of the firearm.
Still on the crime.